Start.
Warm good morning, friends.
Good morning.
This is Adarsh Shukla, and I am here as a salesman of Lava Company phone. Friends, in present scenario, we need a mobile phone each and every moment. Even a rickshaw puller also are having a mobile phone today in present scenario. And if we have a smartphone, then I think we can be a smart. And in present scenario, if you are smart, then everyone will just respect you, and it means you can do any work very easily. And friends, today I am here to make you smart more than earlier. Means I have a smartphone and it is a Lava mobile phone. Friends, you can see its color is very attractive. There are a lots of combination of colors in this mobile phone. Friend, it's work very smoothly. You can see, means its surface is very smooth, and you can do we can do any work very smoothly in this phone. There are a lots of features in this phone. Like you can see, there are many icons you can see here. You can do a lots of work. And friends, as if you wanna be smart, like if you wanna do any type of business, you can do with the help of this mobile phone, because there are many types of applications available in this mobile phone. And friends, sometimes what happens, if you purchase any mobile phone, then you will have to install any apps. But in this phone, you can get many applications by default in this phone. Friends, it's a cheap and best phone. Its market price is 6,000 only. It also this phone is also 4G phone. Friends, you can buy it from online marketing, and I am happy to tell you that for next 2 days we are just giving opportunity, means we are just giving you in discount. You can purchase online or you can purchase from market also. And if you purchase this mobile phone, we will provide you 2 scratch coupons, and you can win many type of you can win like scooty fees and many other things. So friends, if you wanna purchase, I think you should register in these 2 days, because offer is valid till 2 days only. So I think who wanna purchase this phone? Yeah, please contact me. I am here for next half an hour. Thank you.